Ever wondered what it's really like inside Kyoto's mysterious Maiko world? Gion is Kyoto's famous district where geisha, also called geiko or Maiko, still live, study, and perform. But behind the quiet streets and paper lanterns is a whole world of discipline, artistry, and history that most tourists miss. We started in the heart of the area, where you can actually spot real Maiko houses if you know what to look for. See these vertical wooden nameplates at the entrances? These list the names of Maiko currently training inside. They look like ordinary buildings until you realize how much history lives behind these wooden doors. Most Maiko begin their training as teenagers and enter schools. It takes years before they even make a debut. And even then, they're still apprentices. A few blocks away is one of the most unique experiences in the area. It's a museum run by a former geisha herself. She shares her own stories, displays her tools, and recreates a real geisha room. The museum also hosts Maiko performances. These dances aren't just choreography. They tell stories of seasons, poetry, and emotion through movement and subtle gestures. It's absolutely mesmerizing to experience this in person.